If you want the authentic Kerala taste, try with a little bit coconut oil on top, like ghee how we use. That is how we use the coconut oil. That will give, because I didn't add much oil in the sauteing onion. That is one good thing about using cooking with coconut oil. You don't need a lot of oil. It won't stick. So anyway, this is a tasty dal with a good coconut flavor. And try this recipe and try it with chapati or rice. Tell me which one you like, which combination.
Hello, welcome to my cooking channel, Mehta's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today, I'm making a simple uh, the palak, not palak actually, the Indian spinach, the cheera, we call it dal. So I have some half a cup of moong dal. I already soaked, so it will be done in one whistle in the pressure cooker. So I have to cook the dal first. uh, like 3 slit green chilies and couple of cloves of garlic and little bit of turmeric and enough water to cover it, and then I will cook this dal now in the pressure cooker. That's enough water. You don't want too much water. I'm going to put it in the stove now. Now I'm going to chop one small onion. Very finely chopped. Now I am chopping this cheera, which is the Indian spinach. This is small plant, so it's from my garden. It grows everywhere, so I have to pick it up on a regular basis. And I have the red variety also, but the green has a much better taste. Both has its own flavor.
Coconut oil. I'm sorry. Coconut oil first. And I'm not adding the mustard now. If you want, you can add mustard. I'm going to saute onions first. When you use the coconut oil and then saute onions, you get the nice aroma in the whole house. So now for the onions to cook fast, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Since I'm not doing tatta, I'm adding the cumin seeds there. You can crush it and put, but it will cook with the onions. This is a very simple dal dish that you can say everyday dal. Let it let the onions cook a little bit more. Onions are almost cooked now. I'm adding the greens, the cheera or the spinach, the green spinach. It's a handful of green spinach. I'm adding with a little bit of turmeric on it. Whenever we use greens, we add some turmeric in it. Let's saute with it. Again, it might need a little bit more salt. So I will add one more half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is half teaspoon salt together. All together. We'll add a little bit water so it cooks fast and won't stick to the bottom of the pan. To get the Kerala flavor while cooking, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk also. And I am just using it as a side dish. So I'm not making it loose. Hello friends, try this recipe. This is a very tasty green and dal recipe. Especially the green is very tasty. You can see the look. If you want, you can do onion and mustard tatka on it. But I'm just the taste is already came because I sauteed the onions in coconut oil with some cumin. So I'm just keeping it like this because my daughter doesn't like the little seeds in the dal. So if I make it like this, she loves it. I'm keeping it very simple. Try this recipe. You can see the nice dal. I'm switching off the stove now. If you want the authentic Kerala taste, try with a little bit coconut oil on top, like ghee how we use. That is how we use the coconut oil. That will give, because I didn't add much oil in the sauteing the onion. That is one good thing about using cooking with coconut oil. You don't need a lot of oil. It won't stick. So anyway, this is a tasty dal with a good coconut flavor. And try this recipe and try it with chapati or rice. Tell me which one you like, which combination. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, we will see you in a very interesting recipe like this next time. But till then, you know what to do. Please like, subscribe, share the recipe with your family and friends. Thank you.